Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, this is going to be a special episode because we will be pairing two XM20s at the same time, play music with it using just one device, whether it's a mobile phone or a tablet or a laptop. This can only be possible by using the true wireless stereo feature of this device. So the XM20 from Tylex has this. So, to illustrate to you what I'm talking about, please watch this video. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to pair the two TYLEX XM20s via the TWS, the True Wireless Stereo feature. That's the application that could help two speakers connect to each other. So TYLEX XM20 has that feature. So I'm going to show you now. So step one is, of course, you need two TYLEX 20s, and then you need to turn on the knob and power up the two TYLEX XM20s. Once you powered up the two TYLEX XM20s, you need to press the M twice or the mode twice. Okay, that's very important. Once you've tapped the mode twice, you will hear sound effects that would determine or will tell you that the TYLEX XM20s have now been paired. Another sign is that there would be the blue LED lights. The blue LED lights will be constant. It will not flicker or it will not flash. So it means that both devices have been paired. And if it's already constant, it means that it's already paired with your mobile device or your laptop. So let's turn on the TYLEX XM20s and tap. So once you tap that, you see that the lights are constant and that you have heard the sound effects stating that they have connected to each other. So that's basically it on how to pair and how to use the TWS function. So here it is, two XM20s. So you've seen the video already, the instructional video on how to pair this. So now we're going to pair this with the tablet of mine, and let's check out the music that we're going to play. Let's also test some bass music or bass sound so we could appreciate two speakers at the same time. So let's turn on the two TYLEX. So it's already turned on, they're already paired. And let's connect it. So we have a connection. Remember, make sure that the LED lights are fixed. It means that it's paired with your device already. And it's also paired to each other. So let's try to get my groove pad and let's try to play some music. Okay, both speakers are playing. Okay, that's the XM20 using the true wireless stereo feature that pairs two speakers at the same time, but you can just use one device to play your music or video. In case you're interested in purchasing this product, just click the link below. It will immediately lead you to the page of the product in Lazada. Okay, so I made your life simple. In case you want to check the price, check out the delivery cost of this, just click the link below. Okay.